In this tutorial, I will show you how to open up your Toyota 4Runner key fob and change the battery yourself at home. It's very easy to do. All you will need is one of these, just a regular flathead screwdriver and one of these CR2032 batteries. If you'd like to pick one of those batteries up online, I will leave a link down in the description to get the exact battery that you need for this device on Amazon. And it's just a couple of bucks and you'll save you a trip to the store. So just check that out if you are interested. And once you have everything, we can just jump right into this. We're going to start by looking to the side. You see this button here that says push. So you're going to push that and hold it down, and that will allow us to remove this internal key. Set that to the side. Now here we have the keyhole up here, and then perpendicular to that, there is this little indentation in the plastic. See that right there? I'm just going to insert my flathead screwdriver into that area and twist so that I can remove this back piece. Set that to the side. Carefully lift up this circuit board and has the battery housing on here, and this is where we're going to be working with the same flathead screwdriver. You can just insert it in under the battery, right in between the battery and this black plastic housing. So go ahead and hold the device. Start to just gently work your way in there, kind of wiggling, and you can twist, you can pry a little bit, and then the battery will just slide out. Don't use too much force, you don't want to break anything. Just take your time and this CR2032 battery will come out. And again, if you don't know where to get one of these, check out the link in the description. And when you're putting this battery back in place, make sure the positive side that has the text is facing up. Click it into place. And now we can just set this right back into that little rubber part there and click the back on top. Okay. Check it out, make sure it's all nice and secure, put your key back in there, and that's it. That's really all it takes. I hope that helped you out. And if you ever need help changing a battery in any of your other key fobs for any maker model, you can check out the rest of our tutorials here on YouTube or visit us at fobbattery.com.